Let's see. There we go. That's a good piece right there. Gotta feed the chickens. Go get them. Come get some. Yeah, I was just thinking, I have never really shown a close-up of the chickens. All got very interesting color variations in them. Pretty easy to tell them apart. Well, it's a beautiful morning. It's probably going to be another hot day. Yeah, just came out here and got the camera and wanted to show you my morning routine. So the first thing I do is I come out here and I feed the chickens and let them out, and they like to stretch their wings and play queen of the castle. So yeah, typical day of me gardening in my garden. I gotta step over some fences these days, but that's okay. Mostly I just get up in the morning, grab a cup of coffee, and yeah, take a walk out here and just see what's going on. Just take a look at the growth, see if there's anything that needs to be harvested, anything that needs weeding. Yeah, whatever. Like I've ever done much of that. This is my style of gardening. So, corn's doing good. Tassels are coming in. We got amaranth. They're putting on a nice show of color right next to some nasturtiums. I'm already getting some ground cherries. The first few are popping in there. This eclectic pile of stuff is volunteer squash, volunteer borage, some lettuce I threw in there. I don't know what else. Yeah. But I gotta tell ya, I love this style of gardening. It's a little bit of work in the beginning to get it all set up, but really, once it's there, there's really not much to do except take a morning stroll. Ooh, tomatoes are coming in. As you take that morning stroll with your cup of coffee and just see what's going on out here. Some zucchini, they're starting. The greenhouse isn't quite working out as well as I'd hoped. I have to get in here and do a lot more stuff in here to water and keep these plants going. So I haven't been able to get in here and do stuff because I got a cup of coffee in my hand and a phone in the other, so it's kind of hard to do that right now. But I'm okay with that. Might actually be getting some sweet potatoes. Hee hee. So, yeah, I just wanted to come out here, grab a phone, and kind of take you along on my morning gardening routine, which don't expect too much. Yeah, all the work's already been done. So, yeah, really not a whole lot to do except take a wander through here. So, yeah, if you don't mind virtually following along with me and joining me on my little walk, hey, feel free to stick around. Got some echinacea. Hey, the oregano. All the freaking oregano. And I'm still losing my 3-foot wide path. Yeah, the bees are already in there, doing their thing. And I gotta be careful about knocking them out. Some more tomatoes. A lot of I mean, okay, the fruit orchard. That was a good idea. I mean, you're gonna get in the early spring, you're gonna get haskap, then you're gonna get strawberries, then you're going to get gooseberries and currants, elderberries, blueberries. I even got blueberries. Over in the far corner, got some rhubarb, some apple trees. They're browsed, but they're coming back strong. And they just produce stuff all year long. Hey, still got peas coming. Right next to the beans that are starting to flower. It's working. Self-seeded dill. Yep. You know, you're starting to block my path. Yeah, it never fails. Doesn't matter how wide I make the pathways, I always got crap growing in them. Yep, I'm going to get lots of onion seed here. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Never fails. I'm going to have to hack that out again. I mean, at this point, you just step through it now. I've got peppers. I got little peppers that are forming in there. They're not doing great this year. That's okay. Kind of hear that's a thing. Peppers haven't been doing good, but I suppose there's always going to be those people who still get those bumper crops in everything. More cherry tomatoes. And I love it. So, yeah. Gardening is tough. I know. It is tough. It is, you always got those successes, you've got those upsets. And for a lot of people, I guess the struggle is real. But I think I got things set up nicely. Tomatillos. Do I have a tomatillo? Yeah. Yeah, getting tomatillos. Nice. A little bit more corn there. Yeah, I think I got some sort of onion maggot or something in there. Those are the garlic. They're not doing too good. I got one that's doing okay, but my garlic never really does good here. Should find a better spot for it. But I also have elephant garlic too, and they seem to be doing okay. They're starting to die back now. And I've got some carrot seeds coming in. Yay! I'll have fresh carrot seed for planting. Except that something always comes and eats them when I start them in the springtime, and I never really get carrots. Start working out better systems. Always got to work out better systems. So, yep, all the brassicas, all your kales. Maybe I'll even get some cabbages. What are you doing over there? Flapping around. Yep, this is my morning gardening routine. And yeah, I'm just going to let it do its thing and figure out what needs to be harvested, try to get it harvested. When it don't get harvested, now goes to the chickens. They appreciate it. Alright, so yeah, nothing much needed done, or needing done. We've got to get the hose system set up, get the greenhouse watered, and that's about it. Alright, that's that is all the gardening I need to do today. Okay, well, I have a bit of a serious question I kind of want to ask and maybe get an answer on. So I've been doing this no-till slash root stout slash mulch gardening thing for a little while now, and I have very specific reasons why I do it. There's very specific methods on how to do it in order to get the best results. But I know I come out here and I just ramble on and on and on about, you know, things that are happening in the garden without actually going into any real detail about how to make or build one of these garden systems, or at least building it in a manner that doesn't that reduces that weed stress, that reduces that workload, that produces these kinds of results. So I'm going to throw it out there. Should I try to make a, I don't know, a short video series on some of the specific aspects on creating one of these gardens, and on some of the details on the benefits that you get from a garden like this? So the micro or soil microbiology and the moisture retention aspects of it. You know, and just make short little video sequences and explaining how to build one and why they happen to work so well. Just in case you had an idea that this might be something for you, but you really wanted to get some details. So, let me know if that is something that you might want to see. I might just try to start doing some of that already, or I might try to start doing some of that now. Yeah, just let me know if that's something you may want to see in future videos, and I'll throw it up on YouTube and keep them short and brief, and hopefully not waste any of your time, because I know it's valuable. Alright, let me know. Bye.